What lace? Where? Where? Do you see any lace? Because I don't. Honey, I don't. Like, this is how it looks like at the back. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beata Emily Madasana, and if you are a new subscriber or if you have been here, please give yourself a massive thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do subscribe. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look. And by the way, this hair is sold by this beautiful lady in front of you. If you want to see how I achieved this look or how I instilled this beautiful hair, please make sure that you watch till the end. Thank you so much guys for subscribing, and I will mention all the products used in the description box below. This wig comes with 2 wig caps a week, and yeah, please be aware that this hair will or might change depending on the supplier's price, because sometimes the suppliers do decrease the prices, sometimes they increase the prices, but for now it does retail for £130. I am currently in Scotland, UK, so if you want it, please make sure that you DM me using the same names that I use on this YouTube channel on my Instagram page. What lace? Where? Do you see any lace? Because I don't. Honey, I don't. Like, I look super beautiful. I know that's on period. So I shot this installation video the previous day, and then I slept with it. Now this is the following day because it's winter and then there was no natural sunlight. Time to gently comb it using my hands, and then I'm taking my afro comb to just comb myself. I know that's right. Period. I wanted to comb until I am super satisfied. I thought I was going to use this wax stick and my mousse, but I don't feel like I need it because I love when my hair is this big. I don't like it kind of like tiny. This is mousse. So if you want to do away with the flyaways, then you're ready. So I don't see any flyaways. And what lace, honey, like 10 out of 10 minus nothing. And also I love it when my hair is this big. So most of the time, if you want to like make it to kind of be wet, you can use your water and then pour water in a spray bottle, or you can use mousse, but I don't want to for now. So if you'd love to see this beautiful hair done with water or with mousse, please comment in the section below, and then I will do a video some other time. So yeah, this is it. So let me just show you how it looks like at the back. That's on period. Oh, girl bled herself some contours, so I'm taking these wig caps and then 2 different colors. I opted for that other one that I showed you. So I'm going to take my gel right now and then just make sure that I push my hair or I comb my hair, because it has been a long time ever since I plait the contours. Now I'm installing my wig cap using my Gauze Bond glue, and I got it in South Africa while I was in Joburg. So I think you can also get it from Take a Lot or from certain drugstores. I don't know. I'm applying my second layer, as you guys can see, and because I don't have a hairdryer and I'm not planning to buy it, I'm just using this box. So I'm just continuing with this whole process, as you guys can see. And trust me, this is the best glue ever. Like, this is the best freezing spray, or sorry, the best freezing spray and the best glue ever.
So yeah, I have installed this hair and it is still there as I am talking right now, and this is the third day. So I'm kind of undecided on which foundation to use. Why? Because they are both expensive. So I remember that Estee Lauder is more expensive than MAC, so I was like, okay, let me just use my MAC and together with my foundation. So I'm just gonna dab or tap a little bit on my wig cap such that I make it to be bald. So that is it. I'm taking my beautiful hair. As you can see, it's still very new. I haven't cut the lace or whatsoever. So yeah, that is the adjustables. And then you can just do whatever you want to do depending on the size of your head. So I'm just going to cut this lace at the back and then use my foundation again in C46 and then just dab it on the lace of my hair. So yeah, just dab until everything is okay. So as you guys can see, it is okay. It's different from how it was before. So yeah, because then the knots are not bleached at all, because some people prefer not to bleach them. So I'm just gonna use what I have right now. I'm not gonna use any dye. So I'm tying my hair, as you guys can see, and then using the freezing spray. It's better as opposed to the got to be glue, because it doesn't leave any kind of residues. So yeah, enjoy. And then when you feel like your glue has dried up, remove this band from your head and then cut your lace. Please make sure that you do not cut yourself. You have to be very, very much observant on this at this point in time. So I have my mirror. As you guys can see that most of the time I'm looking down. It's not easy for me to see very well while recording on my phone. So I'm just gonna cut this lace and using this through the zigzag motion. Please don't just cut it straight, because it's gonna show. Yeah, and it's not gonna be okay. This is few moments later, and as you guys can see, the lighting is no longer good. So I was like, I will continue with this whole process tomorrow.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.